there was one example I did that had to do with opening a file and writing to it. So let's actually look at that, um, how Python handles files. So I'm going to send some examples to you. Now, basically, let me just lay some kind of foundation. A file, right? You've been saving your all your code so far as files on the hard drive of the computer. Whether it was, the all the times you were doing were having JavaScript classes, or um when uh did you say something?
أنا صلاة مصر.
Whether it was when we were having JavaScript classes or when we started having Python classes, you would save your files to the hard drive. And the aim of saving it is so that you can, you know, get those files back later. So Python also helps you to be able to save whatever it is that you want to save to um, files, whether it's a text file or those kind of files. So if we are going to establish whether our program worked or not, whether there was an error or not, whether it succeeded or not, it means that the file that we're going to create, you will actually see it on your hard drive. So we're going to be checking from time to time if what we did was correct. So basically, we're talking about file handling. We're talking about file handling. So I'm going to send you some snippets of a, a file. Now, you know, when we want to do files, anyway, we may use try except, you know, and then just to make sure that if the file works, we know that it works well. Um, so I'm going to send you a code now, and then I'll explain um, what it's doing. So look at your chat box. Um, I just sent you something. I'll explain what it's doing. You can just copy and paste and run it. What does it say?
It shows error.
Emission error. Let me see.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. I think the reason why it's saying that permission error is because um, it's trying to write it to the same drive where. Let me modify it a bit. Um, can you open your file explorer? Let me see how your file explorer looks so that I can modify the code. Okay. Click on Documents folder. Let me see how it looks at the top. Okay. Let's see. Where do we write to now? Hmm. Okay. Let me see if I can. Um. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Click on. Right click on that Simeon coding, the folder. Right click on it. Okay. Let's see. Select copy as path. Copy as path. Yeah. Send me that. Send me that as a chat on Zoom. Send me that as a chat on Zoom. Let me see. Just click on that copy as path, then send it to me. You can now paste and you see it will send to me. Okay. All right. I can see it now. Um. Okay. All right. Let me put one forward slash there and then paste it. Okay, that looks a bit long, but let's try it now. Let's see if it will work. Okay, I just sent you that statement. Let's see how it will work, whether it will work now. What does it say?
You said Uni's code escape code can count the code bytes in position 2 to 3.
Hmm, Unicode error. Codec cannot decode bytes in position to truncated escape. Okay, okay, let's see. Ah, um, let me see. Ah, okay. Okay, hold on a bit. Let me check something. Um, that X is supposed to create a new file. Open method. Create a new file called file.txt. Okay, let me see. Um, let's try another folder. Okay, click on file as if you want to save this, as if you want to save this particular file. Click on file. Let's see. Click on save. Okay. All right. Just hold on. Don't change it. Let me see this place. Where is this place? Where is this location? So that's it. It's under Windows system. I think that's why it is saying it's having. Okay. Okay. Click on this PC. Okay. Double click um the hard drive C. As in open it. Is this C? This is not. Click on that this PC again and click on C. Double click it, please. Okay.
Can I get a drink?
All right. Let's see. Let me see if it will have position. Okay. Okay. Now, the same thing that you did for that Simeon coding, right click on that HP and do copy as path.
Right click on which one?
The one called HP. It's not letting you to copy.
You don't say copy.
Hmm. Okay. Um, how do we get? I need the path to that particular one. Okay, click on. Can you see that place where it says at the top there? The this where it has that at the top of the window there. This PC. Yes. So click on. Go to the left. Click on that symbol on the left. Let me see what it will show. That symbol on the left. beside it on the left, beside where your mouse is now. Yes. So click on it. Let me see if it will change and show me the file path. Okay, so it just shows C. All right. Okay, C users. Okay. Okay. Let me see which folder I can try. Okay. Select users. Let's see.
Give me something. How you feel?
That one there, users there. You can see
Where?
users now
Sorry.
in front. Users down. Yes. No, not there. Where you have
This?
Xbox games, Windows, users, the folder. Yes, that folder, users.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So double click it. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Okay. All right. So let me try something. Let me copy this thing again and we'll try. Okay. I sent you something. Please try it again. Let's see if it works.
This error.
Okay. Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Mm.
Just give me a moment. Let me
Yes, sir.
get something out. Hmm. All right. So what I'll do is I'll try and figure out um why it's giving error. I think it's a permission error thing from the system. Otherwise, it's supposed to work as expected. Maybe, and it
Yes,
could equally be from the way the
yes, sir.
interpreter was installed. So let's just do something else today. Um,
Okay, sir.
all right. So I just want to show you some other things that we would have seen from the format method yesterday. Um,
Yes.
okay. So
Simeon, focus.
the example I'm showing you now is
I said sit down.
from the it's still string formatting, but it's using the format method.
Wait, the moment that
So can take a look at it. Then I'll explain to you how it works. So please just copy and paste.
yeah. Sit down.
Eight.
Okay, so can you tell what's going on in this code?
Sir?
I said, can you tell what's going on in this code?
Yeah.
So go ahead and see if you can explain it, if you can make sense out of it.
So, so it starts from I want this. If you look at the print statement, it shows the order that the results should go in. So it's I want 3 pieces of item number 567 for 49. So it like instead of just putting it in random order, the print
In
statement,
the order, right?
yes, the print statement is saying
Okay.
quantity go first, item no goes second, and price
Mm-hmm.
goes last.
Okay. Okay.
So the print
All right.
statement is
So
controlling how it works.
I didn't get you. You said the print statement is what?
It like shows how the results should be made properly.
Okay. The order it should be. Okay, that's good.
Yes.
All right. So if if that's the case, then that means we can do a lot of things with um with the format. Now, if for instance I want to now specify the order, well, that one we did not specify the order, but let us say I have something that I want it to occur more than once. Okay, so for instance, let me show you this example, and it's supposed to occur more than once in the um in the in the statement. So look at this example I'm sending. Can you see the example I sent?
Yes, sir.
So we use, if you look at that example carefully, there is an index number, and the index number here usually starts from 0. So this one, the index number for age is 0. Just like you decoded the first one, quantity came first, item number came second, and price came third. This one, the index number for um I think there was something that you left out too.
No, because I think they press Control C.
Okay. Okay, better. So you can see here the index number for age is 0, right?
Yes, sir.
And then the index number for name is 1. So now, if you look at this one carefully, number one, the order in which they appear, it looks in the statement, seeing that it changed. And then name appeared 2 times. So his name is John. Then it now goes to say John is 36 years old. So it's kind of, how will I put it? Repeating one of the things there. So if you need a scenario where something repeats, it's better to use index numbers. And the index numbers are, according to how the format addresses them. And remember, it always starts from 0. So if you remember how we talked about index numbers in lists and strings, always starting from 0. In arrays, it always starts from 0. So that should remind you of how they work.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So there's another one that's called named indexes, but I don't know if I should explain that one. Okay. Let's just look at it for the sake of variety of different ways you can do the same thing.
Hmm?
All right. So take a look at this one and see if you can um, figure out what's happening there.
Oh, I'm doing the wrong one.
Hmm?
I'm doing the wrong one.
Okay, okay. Have you seen the one I sent?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Um, like it's a,
Okay, so look at it. Does it make sense? Look at look at what is happening there. In this case, we're not
yes,
using
sir.
indexes, we're using names. So look at it carefully. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir, it does.
Can you try and explain what's happening there? Car name, model.
So, um, the so it says car name equals Ford, and it
Mm,
says I have a car name. It is a
mm,
model.
yeah.
So the car, since the car name in the print
Mm,
statement is Ford,
okay. Mm-hmm,
the output said Ford,
mm-hmm,
and
yeah.
since he said it is a model, s- model, and in the print statement the model is Mustang, so then the
Mm-hmm.
output is going to show the Mustang.
Okay. Okay. So anywhere model shows up in the string, that's where Mustang will replace it. And anywhere car name shows up in the string, Ford replaces it, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can think of it as, hidden variables if you like. Okay, that's nice. All right. So these were the other flavors of the format method that I talked about yesterday. That that show us how format can be used. Um, so what I think we can do now is so I will um let you work on the see how far you can go with the homework today so that it will be ready by Saturday.
But in the
Is
class,
that okay? Mm?
in the class.
You can do it on your own now,
Oh, okay. I thought you
right? You
meant like
said you want to do it on
yes,
your own, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Before you would have said that you want to do it in class. You said you want to do it on your own, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So um I guess we can meet on Saturday by the same time. Is the time
Okay.
difference still 1 hour from your time?
What time is it for you?
I mean, is
Is
it
it?
is the time difference? Yes, right now it's 2
Yeah,
47.
our ours is 1:47.
Okay. All right. Okay, so so I guess on Saturday that would be 2 o'clock your time.
Okay.
All right.
Yes,
So
sir.
do have
What should
a
I say
Merry
the
Christmas.
finals? You too, sir.
Um
Christmas is
you can
tomorrow.
just say more on formats on format method. Format method. Yeah,
Oh, I
I
accidentally
think
put it
that's
in capital letter.
you didn't know now. I think maybe you mistakenly pressed your caps lock.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
All
bye,
right. Do you
sir.
have any questions on this? It's good, Abby.
Yes, yes, sir.
All right.
Bye bye. Have a good rest of your
All right,
Christmas.
bye.
Have
Okay,
a
you
good
too.
Christmas. Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
You too. Bye.